Hey y'all, it's Avery and Jaden and Trinity, and we are starting a vlog about what is happening at Outsiders at all times. Today, we're with the Nature Reserve Intrest-led group. We're going to be following them around and seeing what they do when they do what they do. Okay, so we are walking. Jaden, tell us where we're walking.
We are walking down to our little river spots near the river of all places.
Trinity, you liking your cardio?
What?
You liking your cardio?
Oh yeah, good enough.
So, hey Titus, what's your favorite part about doing the nature reserve hike?
Hiking.
Good. So we are walking, kind of on the last leg here. We're getting close. We're hanging in the back. Oh look, there's Trinity. Hi Trinity. So Adam, what is your favorite thing about teaching this Intrest-led?
So, I don't like teaching any Intrest-led, and I'm scared. But we're here in the nature preserve with lots of children, and I don't even know what to do. So.
We're about to start playing Capture the Flag. Hey, Trinity, how do you feel about playing Capture the Flag?
It's terrifying, honestly. I'm not here.
This is not making
Joe Biden has not been picked.
easier, Adam. Thank you.
Stop. Eating.
Oh, wow. All right.
Let's go.
Alright,
No. Stop.
So, we're playing Capture the Flag right now. I got the job of guarding the flag. And I hope I don't die. Don't ask me.